Welcome to One India News Hour. 74% of sales professionals think sales intelligence tools are critical in closing deals. 1 in 2 sales professionals rely on data to target customers and analyze winning tactics. A recent report of LinkedIn reveals 1,000 sales professionals, managers, and business decision makers finding the enduring trends that have gained prominence amongst sales organizations. The report also highlights the growing reliance on sales technology, data usage, and building trusted relationships to help sales personnel and sales organizations to keep pace with the growing adoption of virtual selling. The India edition of this report further highlights that while the coronavirus is driving some changes in the short term, many trends that were already in motion are gaining strength in the current environment, and their long-term metrics are stepping up to the forefront. And with this, the data-driven sales organization is on the rise, and the sales technology is transforming the sales organization. Today, more than ever, transformation is an inescapable reality in the sales organization. The fact that 3 in 4 sales professionals are placing their bets on the power of sales intelligence tools to close deals is a strong indicator of how technology is becoming an integral part of the sales workflow and how virtual selling is the key to the new sales process. This, coupled with access to timely and relevant data, will help sales practitioners with crucial insights that can help them achieve targeted outreach and greater agility in their selling process. Technology relies on data to function, and so the two must be considered hand in hand to make a powerful difference. Sales leaders are prioritizing customer retention more than ever and quickly reorganizing their organizations so that their salespeople are in position to help customers correctly. With this, the data-driven sales organization is on the rise. Resulted, sales organizations are charting a clear way forward by using data to identify and target the strongest industries, geographies, and accounts. Let's look into today's headlines in Var India. PNA's violent conduct completely violates all norms, says Rajnath Singh. The first statement on the military tensions along the LAC in Parliament, Rajnath Singh spoke for close to 25 minutes, saying China had consistently refused to accept customary and traditional boundaries, had previously grabbed 38,000 square kilometers in Ladakh, claimed 90,000 square kilometers in Arunachal Pradesh, and was also ceded land illegally in POK by Pakistan. More women than men left jobless post-lockdown. The adverse impact of the pandemic-induced lockdowns and restrictions on livelihood of women is reflected in the responses of 3,221 women workers from the informal sector in a new survey report covering 20 states. More women, that is 79.23% of samples, were out of work post-lockdown compared to men, with 51.6% of the women also reporting on wages during the lockdown period. Infosys to buy Guide Vision for 30 million euros. Guide Vision specializes in offering strategic advisory, consulting, implementations, training and support on the ServiceNow platform, which Infosys said is one of the fastest growing enterprise software companies and is becoming an essential service and workflow standard for organizations. Sources said the company's end-to-end offering, including SnowMirror, a priority smart data replication tool for ServiceNow instances, enables over 100 enterprise clients to simplify complex business and IT processes. UP acquires 1,600-acre barren land to set up SEZ's industry. In order to create special economic zones and corridors in the untapped areas of the state, the Uttar Pradesh State Industrial Development Authority, that is UPSIDA, has identified nearly 1,600 acres of barren land. Mayur Maheshwari, Chief Executive Officer of UPSIDA, said that following directives of Chief Minister, he had asked field officers to identify and acquire only barren lands for setting up of industries. bags $12 million Series A by Sequoia India and Breadpoint Ventures. Airmeet, Bengaluru-based company into virtual event platform, has raised $12 million in its Series A funding round led by Sequoia Capital India and Breadpoint Ventures. Early backers Axel India, Venture Highway, Global Founders Capital and Gokul Rajaram also participated in the round. Last year, Airmeet had raised $400,000 in a seed round and closed a follow-on seed round of $3 million from Axel and others. Cashkaro raises $10 million Series B round from Korea Investment Partners. Gurugram-based Cashkaro into cashback and coupon platform has raised $10 million in its Series B funding round led by Korea Investment Partners and existing investor Kalari Capital. The fresh round for the company has materialized after a gap of 5 years. The platform would utilize the fresh proceeds to scale up marketing, open up new brand building avenues, user acquisition, product development, along with investing in its new social deal cashback app EarnKaro, said the company in a statement. Alibaba eyes stake in Zhaopin for getting into online jobs classified. Alibaba, whose online marketplaces serve as a platform for millions of Chinese businesses, also operates China's biggest cloud computing services platform. Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba Group is in talks to invest hundreds of millions of dollars in Zhaopin. The possible new investment could lead to collaborations that combine the internet giant's technology and vast customer base with Zhaopin's data on companies and jobs. STL has awarded to build optical fiber networks for Airtel in 10 circles. Bharti Airtel has selected home-bred gear vendor Sterlite Technologies to build a modern optical fiber network across 10 telecom circles. The 5G-ready optical network will enable the Sunil Mittal-led telco to deliver better customer experience through enhanced scalability, reduced latency and improved bandwidth. This development comes with the recent partnership with Airtel and ITI Limited for the rollout of FTTH networks in 8 circles in the country. SBI to amend ATM cash withdrawal rules from September 18th. SBI is extending OTP-based cash withdrawal for Rs 10,000 above throughout the day across all SBI ATMs in the country. This will be effective from September 18th, 2020. For withdrawing Rs 10,000 and above, SBI debit card holders now have to enter OTP sent on their registered mobile numbers along with their debit card PIN each time. Qualcomm is developing a new 7nm flagship chip using A77 plus A55 cores. Qualcomm is developing a chip similar to the Snapdragon 865. This chip still uses TSMC's 7nm process as well as A77 plus A55 cores. It is believed that this processor is better than the Snapdragon 865 plus but lower than Snapdragon 875. As of now, there is no other information regarding this chip. However, this chip is certainly not the Snapdragon 875 SoC. COVID update. The number of positive coronavirus cases reported from India now stands at 50,18,074 and the toll from the disease stands at 82,196. To conclude, adaptability has always been important in the sales organization. This is now more pertinent than ever. Large percentages of salespeople say they are using data to prospect. 53% of sales professionals are using data to prospect, while 47% of respondents said they are evaluating patterns from closed-won business to apply these learnings to future deals. The report further highlights the importance of increasing data literacy amongst sales professionals to optimize their selling process. As sales technology is clearly a key force reshaping the sales profession, as stats from the report revealed that 74% sales professionals in India described sales intelligence tools as extremely critical or critical in closing deals. Sharing this sentiment, 95% of the survey respondents believed that sales technology is important or very important. Secondly, it is utmost important to build the sales team of tomorrow. The increasing use of virtual selling is demanding new skills among salespeople. Sales leaders are now focused on building the sales teams of tomorrow by hiring professionals with skills that buyers want. In fact, sales organizations are charting a clear way forward by using data to analyze and improve performance. Almost half of respondents, that is 48%, said their companies are using data to access the performance of salespeople. The report also cited problem solving, confidence, and relationship building as the top 3 traits looked for by decision makers and sales managers when hiring. Let's wind up for the day, but do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine, which is available on Google Play Store. Stay tuned for the latest news and updates. Thank you.